Hey guys, today I'm going to cook some sausage and gravy in the slow cooker. So let's get cracking. I'm starting off by putting 2 cups of water in my slow cooker. One's already in there, so that's another one. That's 2 cups. And also 1/3 heaping cup of flour that I toasted in my toaster oven for about 10 minutes to get the doughiness out of it. You can probably just put that in a pan on your stove if you don't have a toaster oven. Now I'm just going to get that all mixed together. That looks good. All the lumps are out of my flour. Now I'm going to add 1 pound of pork breakfast sausage. And then I'm going to get that all mixed in there. Now I'm going to cook this on high for a couple hours, and when it looks done, I'm going to stir in a little bit of milk and season it with some salt and pepper. While the sausage and gravy's cooking, I cooked a can of biscuits to put it on. It's been a little over 3 hours. I'm going to see how this looks. That looks good to me. I'm going to shut it off. I'm going to add a little bit of black pepper. Okay, and then milk. This is half and half. That's all I have, so I won't add too much of that because it's a little richer. So just add a little at a time and stir it in until it's about how I look, how I want it. Then I'll taste it and see if it needs any salt. There's salt in the sausage and salt in the flour because that was self-rising flour, so it might not need much salt. I think this is good just like that. I tasted it. It doesn't need any salt. It's salty enough. And I think that's enough milk. I didn't add any more milk than that. So I'll grab a biscuit and we'll try it out. Alright, let's try a bite of my biscuits and gravy here. Hopefully it's cooled off enough here. That came out pretty good in the crock pot. Guess Annie wants to try it. We'll see what she thinks here. There you go, Annie. Whoa. I guess it's Annie approved. That's good on just regular bread or potatoes too, and it's fairly inexpensive. Anyway, I'll write everything in the description like usual. Thanks for watching. See you guys next time.